Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Wi-Fi network adapter report on your Windows computer. So Wi-Fi reports are commonly used to correct errors with your internet connectivity. So whether you are using this for yourself or you're sending this to some IT support person to help with your computer, this tutorial should hopefully be pretty straightforward, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of the video here, guys. So the first one is actually going to be running the report. So go ahead and copy that, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter to actually run the report. And then to actually see where the report was written to, you can see the direction right here. So all you have to do is actually just highlight over this and tap Control C on your keyboard to copy, Control V to paste it in, and then hit enter. And this will actually open up the location of the report. So alright, so really not too much to look into there, and that's about it. If you scroll down, there's a whole bunch of user information you can look into. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.